Kailangan wise tayo. And we have to be business-minded, Pinoy. Business loan? Nung panahon namin, walang gustong magpahiram sa mga startups tsaka mga maliliit ng negosyo na tulad namin. So, we had no choice but to borrow from friends and relatives who trusted us. Now, even if matataas talaga yung interest rates, wala kaming choice eh. But then, ngayon, business loans, they are available. Merong mga government agencies, NGOs, cooperatives, mga maliliit na banks, lending houses, pawn shops. Meron pang mga Bombay na nagpapautang. Kung gusto nyo mangutang, don't just look at the amounts that they are willing to lend you and what you need to pay per day, per week, or per month. Hindi lang yun ang titingnan natin ha. Always evaluate based on yung kanilang interest rate na charge sa inyo. Kailangan wise tayo and we have to be business-minded, Pinoy.